Dove Virtual Academy Middle School is now open for enrollment for students in grades 6th to 8th across the state of Oklahoma. Dove Virtual Academy Middle School achieved the highest score among Oklahoma virtual charter schools according to OSDE school report cards. Our online charter school provides a high-quality and accessible education, completely free of charge. With a strong focus on fostering a love for learning, Dove Virtual Academy Middle School offers a diverse range of courses and activities designed to engage and challenge students. Our curriculum is tailored to meet the unique needs of each student, providing them with a flexible and personalized learning experience. Whether it's through participating in advanced classes, joining clubs, exploring STEM subjects, or developing leadership skills, we strive to prepare our students for future success. Join us at Dove Virtual Academy Middle School and embark on an educational journey that combines innovation, academic excellence, and individualized support. Enroll today to secure your spot and start shaping a bright future.